Good afternoon from Middleton. This is a June 2023 Fiat 500 1 litre mild hybrid manual. It's the top model, so it's a great spec car, and I'll show you around the specification inside in a moment. It's in Epic Blue Metallic, which is this lovely dark blue, which in the right light kind of goes like a mallard duck, sort of greeny blue colour. You can just about see it, I think, across the wing and the bumper there. Very nice cross-spoke alloy wheels. It's done 5,330 miles, so it's obviously a lovely condition to go with a low mileage. The multifunction steering wheel there for phone and stereo. Digital dashboard. Large screen infotainment with standard sat-nav and Apple and Android CarPlay, so compatible apps will come up if you just plug your phone into the USB down here with the charging cable. It's got climate control, automatic climate there, economical car with 6-speed gearbox. The top model has got these comfy seats with the embossed backs, and it's all nice in the back too. Fixed glass panoramic sunroof with a blind. LED rear lights, and as we've said, it's the hybrid model. Cleaning the back and the back of the seats and everything. It's colour keyed dashboard and the sill plates, 500 sill plates. So that's it. It's a 2023 Fiat 500 1 litre mild hybrid top with 5,330 miles, full service history, and in a lovely condition throughout. Full details are on our website, which is middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk. Thanks for looking.